Imagine leaving a door unlocked on purpose. You want to see who tries to walk in. That's the logic behind a honeypot, a deliberate decoy that reveals who's targeting your systems. But detecting a threat and stopping it are two very different things. So, what happens after the alarm goes off? A honeypot is a security tool that mimics real systems, servers, databases, user accounts, without containing any real data. When an attacker interacts with it, they reveal themselves, their methods, their entry points, their behavior patterns. This intelligence is invaluable. But honeypots have hard limits, and every security team needs to know them. First, honeypots only catch what touches them. An attacker who bypasses the decoy entirely goes completely undetected. Second, they're passive. A honeypot logs the intrusion. It cannot block it, revoke access, or contain the damage. Third, insider threats never interact with a honeypot at all. A compromised employee account moves through legitimate systems using valid credentials, leaving no trace in any decoy and triggering no alert. Detection is the starting point. It was never meant to be the finish line. This is where AnySecura changes the equation. While honeypots answer the question, who is attacking? AnySecura answers, what are they allowed to do? AnySecura gives IT and security teams granular control over user behavior, application access, and system permissions in real time. So let's say if an external actor probes your network, your honeypot captures the activity and logs their techniques. Simultaneously, AnySecura identifies anomalous behavior from a compromised internal account being used as a pivot point. The honeypot exposed the entry. AnySecura restricts the spread. Together, your team has full situational awareness and the ability to act, not just observe. See the threat, control the response, close the gap. That's AnySecura.